Hare Krishna, welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with an Ekadashi special recipe. Today we will make sandwich idli, which is instant and easy to make as well. So let's get started. Here I have taken 1 cup of varai or sama rice and 1/4 cup of sagu rice or sabudana. First we will grind the sabudana into a fine powder. Sabudana powder is ready. Let's transfer it into a mixing bowl. In the same jar, we will coarsely grind the sama rice. I have prepared a coarse powder. Add it into the mixing bowl. Next add half cup of curd or yogurt to the powder. Mix all the 3 ingredients well. I have listed down all the ingredients with their quantity below in the description box. You can refer it. Now add 1 cup of water and give it a good mix. We will prepare a batter. Make sure there are no lumps in it. Our batter is ready. You can see its consistency. Now cover the bowl and keep the batter aside for half an hour to rest. After half an hour, let's mix the batter once again. Now divide the whole batter into 2 parts. First part with 6 spoons and second part with 4 spoons of batter. Here I have taken green chutney. I have shared the recipe link of the chutney in the description box below. Let's add this chutney into 4 spoons batter. Mix it well. Next, I have taken such bowls. You can use any kind of bowls you want to. Let's grease them with oil. Grease all the bowls. The bowls have been greased. Now I have taken the green batter. To this I am going to add half teaspoon baking soda. Mix this batter quickly and evenly. This has been mixed. Pour the batter into each bowl. I have poured around 1 tablespoon of batter. Now we will steam it. I have heated water in a vessel onto which place a stand or a ring. Place a dish onto which we will keep the bowls. We will steam this for 3 to 4 minutes only. Cover the vessel now. Take the plain batter, add half teaspoon baking soda. and half teaspoon senda salt. Give it a mix. By now it has been 3 minutes. Let's check. It has been partially steamed. Now let's pour the plain batter onto this. Do not fill it completely. Sprinkle some black pepper powder onto it. Sprinkle some chili powder. These are optional. Let this steam for around 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, let's check. The knife has come out clear, so it is ready. Let's cool it for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's scrape out the edges using the knife. Turn it over and tap it. You can see it has come out easily. Similarly, we will take out all the sandwich idlis. So our sandwich idlis are well steamed. Now we prepare the seasoning. Let's heat 2 teaspoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seed and let it flutter. Now add 3 green chilies and some curry leaves. It is ready, switch off the flame. Let's pour the seasoning on the sandwich idlis. Our sandwich idlis are ready. Let's offer it by placing a tulsi leaf to Lord Jagannath. Our sandwich idlis are offered. You can serve it with chutney. If you like bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any recipe. If you like to watch bhoga recipes in Hindi, visit Govinda's Cuisine on YouTube. Hare Krishna, Happy Ekadashi.